Well, here we have great value and practical 7-seat motoring in a family MPV that really is very decent to drive. Now, brand new, this car would have cost something like £19,500, but it still really is, truly speaking, brand new because on the clock, less than 10,000 miles. It's from this year. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Automatic gearbox makes it nice and easy to drive. It's also in the right colour, metallic silver. Nice alloys as well. Now, get inside and there is plenty of room in there. It's a flexible cabin. You've got cloth seats, all-round airbags, air conditioning, nice and easy to drive and pretty quick off the mark. You're going to get around 40 to the gallon, a little bit more on the motorway. 6 months road fund is just under £150. Why not ring and reserve? We'll hold this car for you for up to 48 hours until you can get here with no deposit and no obligation. Come and discover this great car for yourself at Fords of Winsford.